Hey guys, in today's video we are going to be doing some wooden sounds. So here we go. Starting off, I don't think I've done this yet. It's gonna be a really quick video. That does sound good as well. Oof. I wonder if they sound any different. Oh, they do. Alright, next step. The wooden A and the wooden block are both sounds. I love the wooden A. I like how there's just like a little staple up here. I have no idea how that got there. It's just like that. Cool. Finally, we're going to be doing some pick a stick. But instead of picking a stick, I'm going to have you pick 5 numbers 1 through 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got your numbers? Alright, let's go. Let's pick a ball. First number is 14, then 17, then 12, then 10, and finally alright, and finally 4. Okay, if you picked any of these numbers, congratulations, you won. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. See you in the next video. Bye.